Hello my loves, it's Kasia, Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my journal, which is the Wild Florals Classic Size Happy Planner. This is actually the last week I'm planning in this planner, and then I'm moving into July into a different one. So for the last week in this planner, I decided to use the Live Love Posh and the Rongong girls. These stickers were truly meant for each other. They're so beautiful, and I think I want to use orchids, but I wasn't sure, so I'm just flipping through the book to see if I want to use something else or if I am keeping the orchids. Okay, so here we go. First and foremost, I'm gonna add some summer girls into my spread, and I'm gonna work on the flowers. And as you can see, this is for the week of July 21st through the 27th. So this is the last week of the July planners that I'm going to be using. Do you guys have any ideas what to do with the pages that are leftovers from the planners I'm no longer using? I'll be having quite a few that are going to be retiring, and I'm bringing in the new 18 months that are completely neutral or more neutral than they are right now, and I wasn't sure what to do with it. So if you guys have an idea, let me know. I would truly appreciate that. Okay, so the first thing is down, and while I am adding these, I wanted to say thank you. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so very much. That is so appreciated. And if you are brand new and you just found me, thank you so much. And hopefully, if you like it here, don't forget to click that subscribe. I would truly love to have you here. Okay, so I have this, I pulled out this girl, but I don't know if I want to introduce a blue color. She is truly lovely, but she might have to stay in here. So I'm just going to take my tweezers, and this is a little tip and trick that if you peel up your stickers, especially with bigger stickers like this where they just go in so nicely, you then have no borders and you can go ahead and stick that sticker down without aligning it. Oh, maybe this one will work. I want to use like the greens and the blues or teals, but like the dark, like this one, like a teal blue, and more of a summer vibe. So this one's going to party, this one's going to a pool. You can tell that these are all still summery. I'm gonna cover up that section with that flower. Look how beautiful these are. Peeling up another page, as you can see, with these small sections in there, it's definitely not as easy, right? So you have to kind of hold down some of the stickers when you're pulling a page with lots of tiny ones. Okay, just adding more plants because that's what I do. Okay, so I'm gonna add the darker pinks and the lighter pinks, and I think that will do a pretty decent job of kind of creating this, and then I can wait for next week to come so then I can write in it. So once I lifted that sticker up, it was curling up, so I just grabbed my sticker book. That one was ordered from the Michaels, I believe, and then I just stuck it in there, and that's my sticker graveyard. One of those days I'm going to, once I fill it up a little bit more, I'm gonna go through them and just create a sticker spread with just graveyard stickers. I think that might be a little interesting. So I hope you guys are as excited as I am about maybe possibly doing that. It will be a lot of fun to see what's in there. Okay, I am adding final details of greenery and such, and then I can go ahead and let's add that one too. And then I can go ahead and add one more girl to the sidebar, and once I do, I think we might be done. And if you are here, don't forget to check out the giveaway that's ending the 25th. I am super excited to be able to give back to you guys. That's always so like rewarding mentally for me to be able to give back and to be able to share something that I truly love and something that I really believe in. So I found one in like a green, not green, but teal outfit, and I'm gonna stick her down. Right there, and I think I am good. I think I'm happy with the way this turned out. So I'm gonna pop back into the planner. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon for another plan with me. Bye.